Before the new machine is turned on, need to add lubricating oil to forming, sealing, and cutting stations. Remove this stainless steel sheet. Pour the lubricating oil in. Make sure the oil soaks the cam. The chain on the machine should also be regularly oiled and maintained. Heat sealing station. Also pour lubricating oil and soak the cam. Same cutting station. During the usual production process, the column is regularly maintained with oil. Every column needs. Bearings also need oil maintenance. Let it reduce friction and extend service life. Don't forget these columns.